How you dey partition a drive in Windows 10 or 11 step-by-step guide. At first, what you need to do, press Windows R on your machine and type disk-mgmt.msc. As you done, click OK and wait. Here disk management button. If you already get C drive, right click on the C drive and click shrink volume and wait, let the Windows go dey read the amount of volume we need for the shrink. Patient wait. Now shrink C, now you C drive open. Enter the amount of space where you want shrink in this blue column. For me, I choose 15 and shrink. Wait. Also let Windows dey read. I only get 3 drive will be done already shrink before this time, but this look can make 4. Continue for patient. As you drive the drive for unallocate, what you need forget. So it done. Right click on the unallocated space, click on new simple volume. As you don't click, just continue for next, and here add the volume where you don't shrink. Next also, and choose the drive how you want to represent either D, E or F. Next also, and all the balance to space left hand, the last sign of a can and add your name. Or you can even left hand so and next. For me, I use just my name where they use. As you don't add your name, click next also and finish. You don't done. Come out and check the space where you get where we don't allocate. It's simple. Subscribe and follow for more.